All right, so log on into Shopify there for me. Okay, so you're logged into Shopify?
Yeah.
Okay. So I want you to now go ahead, and from Shopify, can you go open the settings and then general page. So let's take a look. So very bottom left there, settings, and then general. Great. So you're there already. Now let's take a look at the next step for you here. What we're going to do is we're going to paste that tracking code into the Google Analytics code field. So we should see an option right there. So go back to that new tab where it says Google Analytics. Paste that entire thing, including the script. So a little bit below that there actually, where it says this is your tracking ID. All right, paste that or copy that. Go there and paste that into Analytics. Let's make sure that that's how we want to do it here. Cool. Let's take a look. So it looks like there may be one step here to just remove the password protection. Go to, let's see, so okay, so you're, scroll up a little bit here. Okay, you don't have that on. Perfect. So save that through, very bottom left, bottom right, I mean. Awesome. So we've just installed the tracking code on your site, and we've set up Google Analytics together. So now we can start talking about trying to set up e-commerce tracking so we can see the value of all those clicks you're getting and how much revenue they're generating. All right? Cool. Any questions about that so far? I know I just kind of walked you through it, but does that kind of make sense on how that's going to be valuable for you?
Yeah.
Good. So let me see if we can try and go through this e-commerce setting together. Can you click on, let's take a look here. So you pasted the code. Let's go on back to Google Analytics. There we go. Okay. Now go to the admin tab. Click on the admin tab again to the very top there. Very, very top of your page. Great. Okay. Now I want you to click on View Settings on the far right. Scroll down here to the bottom. And let's turn on, let's see if there's a, one second, there should be an e-commerce settings section. So let's scroll up a little bit and see if we can find this here. E-commerce settings, there we go, on the far left side of your screen. Great, click on that. All right, and we're going to want to scroll up and turn that on. Okay. And then click Next Step. Great, and then just submit that. Awesome, great. So we've just now set up analytics together. We've pasted the code on the site so we can start tracking, and e-commerce tracking is enabled. So what we're going to do now is we're going to have a team contact you to help you set up that shopping campaign and Merchant Center account, and then let that run for a little bit, and we'll be able to kind of check in to see the performance of that based off of the revenue that it's generating.